the vehicle, behind the fuel tank, above the exhaust. The valve we're going to replace is right here. You can just take a 90-degree pick and just slide it under here. This hose is a little bit brittle. Be a good idea to replace that, but it's okay, it'll work. Disconnect the connector. There is a lock tab on the top. Just push down and just slide it out. Just like that. There's where the lock is. You just push it down. There's another lock. Just take a pick and slide that lock down. And then grab the valve and just twist it to the left. When you twist to the left, be able to slide this out. Just like that. So it's going to be twisted about that much from there to there. Take the new valve, have it at the same angle the old one came out, and just press it in. And gently twist it. And make sure it's in that lock, and that looks good. Now we can connect the connector. And lock it down. And the bottom hose. Line that up. And slide it off. And that's just the vent hose, so you don't need a clamp or anything.